Did you know that every minute, the equivalent of a garbage truck of plastic is dumped into our oceans? That's a staggering 8 million tons of plastic each year. Imagine the sheer volume of plastic we're talking about. We're literally drowning our planet in plastic, and it's high time we did something about it. This video focuses on practical ways to recycle and reduce your plastic usage at home. So, without further ado, let's dive into some simple strategies to make plastic recycling more accessible and efficient. Sorting your plastic waste correctly is the first step towards effective recycling. When it comes to plastics, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. There are different types of plastics, and they need to be sorted accordingly. Polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, is often used for beverage and food containers. High-density polyethylene, or HDPE, is sturdier and used in products like detergent bottles. Low-density polyethylene, or LDPE, is used in things like plastic bags and wraps. Now, how to sort them? That's where color coding comes in handy. Use different colored bins or labels to distinguish between the types. For example, use a blue bin for PET, a green one for HDPE, and a yellow one for LDPE. This way you'll easily remember which plastic goes where. And just like that, with a little organization, sorting plastic can become a quick and easy part of your recycling routine. Ever thought about turning your plastic waste into something useful? Welcome to the world of upcycling, where your old plastic bottles and containers can be transformed into handy household items. Take for example, that empty shampoo bottle. With a little creativity and effort, it can become a chic little caddy for your bathroom essentials. Or consider those plastic takeout containers. They can be revamped into attractive, functional storage boxes for your odds and ends. By upcycling, you're not just crafting but also playing a part in reducing the strain on our environment. You see, every time you give a second life to a piece of plastic, you're preventing it from ending up in a landfill, or worse, our oceans. So why not give it a shot? Get those creative juices flowing, and let's turn your trash into treasures. Not only are these projects fun and practical, but they also give your plastic waste a new lease of life. While recycling is crucial, reducing our plastic consumption is equally important. It's time to consider switching to sustainable alternatives. Picture this. Instead of single-use plastic bags, why not opt for reusable shopping bags? They're sturdy, stylish, and a simple solution to cut down on plastic waste. Imagine sipping your favorite drink without a plastic straw, but a stainless steel one. It's not only eco-friendly but also adds an elegance to your dining experience. And how about swapping out those plastic containers for glass ones? They're not just better for the environment, they're also healthier for you. Such alternatives are not only practical, but they also contribute to a greener lifestyle. By making these changes, we're not just reducing our plastic footprint, we're also fostering a sustainable living culture. Reducing plastic consumption is a proactive step towards environmental conservation. Remember, every small step towards reducing plastic waste makes a big difference. Before we wrap up, here are some important do's and don'ts when it comes to plastic recycling. It's crucial to rinse your plastic containers before recycling them. Leftover residue can contaminate the recycling process. Don't mix non-recyclable plastics with recyclable ones. Not all plastics are created equal, and some can't be recycled. Lastly, don't bag your recyclables. The bags can jam the machines at the recycling plant. Armed with these rules, you're now ready to recycle plastic the right way.